Today I'm going to show you how to manually configure a VPN's L2TP connection on Windows 10. Now L2TP protocol is one of the multiple protocols used by VPN providers to secure their users' connections. Today we'll be using BVPN as our provider. I prefer using it as it's one of the strongest VPN providers, most secure VPN providers available today in the market. Now, starting off, we go to the search and we search for control panel. Very simple, a few steps. From control panel, we go to network and internet. And then we go to network and sharing center. Click on that. From there we go and click on set up a new connection or network. Then we choose connect to a workplace. So we select that and we click on next. After that, we make sure that the radio button next to no create a new connection is the one selected, and we go to next. And we choose use my internet connection or VPN. Now here it's going to ask you to enter an internet address and destination name, which is, in other words, the name of the server that you want to connect to. Now, how do we get that? It's very simple. We go to the website of the VPN provider. We sign into our profile, and it'll give us an option for different lists of servers, the ones that support L2TP and the ones that support OpenVPN and other protocols. In this case, we chose the servers that support L2TP, and out of randomness, we'll just pick the Amsterdam, Netherlands Amsterdam server. And here is the domain or the name of the server, the address of the server. And we go back to our settings. We enter that here, and just to avoid any confusion, we enter the same one, the destination name, and we click on create. Now, once it's created, we can just simply go to the connections or the network icon in the taskbar, click on it, and on the top we'll find the network name or the connection name that we've created. We click on it, it'll open the settings, we select it, and we go to change adapter options. Now it'll just appear the window with the available connections. We'll go to the one that we created, right click on it, go down and select properties, and go to the security tab. Now under type of VPN, we'll choose L2TP because this is the one we want to, this is the type of protocol we want to establish here. Then we go to advanced settings. Now it's going to ask us one of two things. Either we authenticate this connection using a certificate, or we authenticate it using a pre-shared key. We're going to choose authenticating it using a pre-shared key, which we'll get from the same list on the website. And we have to make sure that it's the same pre-shared key of the server that we chose earlier. We copy it, and we go back here, and we enter it here, and we click on OK. And then we select the radio button next to allow these protocols, and we check on all three. We make sure that all three are checked, and we click on OK. Now that's set up, we go back to the settings page here, and we click on connect. Now it's going to ask us for our credentials. These are the credentials that we use for signing into the VPN page. Now we're just going to enter the username, and the password, and we click on OK. Once that's done, verifying, and then completing the connection, and it's done. That's how you manually configure an L2TP connection on Windows 10. Well, thank you for watching.